This is part 3 of how to make a duct tape wall. By this point, you should have made your 3 pockets. And make sure the cards can slip in easily. Just for all of them. Just size it out. Now, this is the part where you're going to fold it over and make sure it can fold. And then we're going to be making the ID holder and the secret pocket. So I'm going to make my secret pocket teal. You can get any size you want. So take 3 strips of 3.5. So 1, 2, 3. Should be simple enough. Okay. So now take one, put it on its back, so sticky sides up, and place it on top. So then you have that sheet, like what you did before. Then you're going to want to just take the other one, put it on its top, and measure where you want it to be. Or just take it, place it on top, and then you have this, so just fold it over. That gives us a little extra room. So then take it and just tape it on. So it's not as big, so just take it, measure on the sides. So about that. You don't want them to be too fat because then it won't. You want them to be about skinny size. So you're going to want to take 2 of those. And just tape it on there. Okay. So then you're just going to want to do the last side. So then you have like a secret pocket. Could either be at either side. So now you want to have the ID holder. Oh, I forgot to mention that you should have some sort of like plastic material. So I'm just going to cut off a little plastic part like this. But make sure it's big enough for the ID part. Make sure it's big enough. So that seems small, but you can do anything. I mean, you can do anything. I'm going to just cut off a piece again. Just a long strip. You never know how long you're going to need it. Should have done this before, but I'm not. Okay. And just make sure it can fit. And then just cut it off. Cut off the excess. And just tape it on there. No, you still make sure it'll be perfect. No. Then you're just going to tape that on there. Like what we did before with the secret pocket. So here. Yeah, so however long this is. 3.5. Still going to want to do that thing again. Oh. I'm just going to cut this in half. So you take your ID card and just tape it on there. And if it's too short or something, like this, you can always just add a little bit more tape to it. Cover it completely. Or just cover it completely. And just add it again. Okay, and then you're going to want to do this part. Okay. Either side once again. And then just tape it on there. And fold it over on the side. So make sure the ID thing can fit in here. It's okay if it's tight because it's going to still stay in there. So then you could fold over, and yeah. So there's your duct tape wallet. I've made many. I just like rearranged it, but so yeah. Yay! Comment and sub.